Today we have an Oppo A77 smartphone with a broken display. As you can see, the screen is completely cracked and the touch is not working properly. In this video, we are going to replace the display step by step. So watch the full video carefully if you want to learn mobile repair. Now let's start the repair process. First, power off the phone and remove the SIM tray. Now we need to remove the back panel. Apply a small amount of IPA liquid, isopropyl alcohol, around the edges of the back panel. This helps to loosen the adhesive. Next, use a plastic card and opening tool to gently separate the back panel from the frame. Move the card slowly around the edges until all the clips are released. Now carefully remove the back panel. Slowly remove the camera glass frame without damaging the camera lens. The next step is removing the screws that hold the protection frame. After removing the screws, gently lift the plastic frame cover. Now the motherboard and connectors are visible. Before doing anything, we must disconnect the battery connector to avoid a short circuit. Disconnect the fingerprint sensor flex cable connected to the back panel. Carefully disconnect the display flex. Now we will remove the battery. Remove it slowly without bending or damaging it. After removing the battery, remove the tape on the middle frame. Under the tape you can see the display flex cable. Carefully pull the display flex cable out, because it is usually fixed with adhesive. Now we will remove the damaged display. Use an opening tool and slowly separate the display from the frame. Move carefully around the edges and gently lift the display. Finally, remove the broken display completely. The next step is cleaning the frame. Remove all the old adhesive or gum from the frame using a tweezer or plastic tool. Make sure the frame is clean before installing the new display. Now apply new adhesive or double tape around the frame. Carefully place the new display into the frame and press gently on all sides. Now reinstall all the components. Reconnect the battery. Reconnect the fingerprint flex cable. Place the frame cover back and tighten all the screws. Finally, attach the back panel and press it firmly. Now to hold the display firmly, we can use rubber bands. Place a few rubber bands around the phone so the display stays tightly pressed against the frame. This helps the adhesive bond properly and keeps the display perfectly aligned. Leave the rubber bands on the phone for about 15 to 20 minutes so the glue can set properly. After that, remove the rubber bands. Now power on the phone and check the display brightness, touch response, and colors. As you can see, the new display is working perfectly, and the phone looks like new again. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mobile repair videos. Thanks for watching.